Okay, so let's make a carousel slideshow thing for our portfolio. So let's come to Portfolio tab, and again I'm just going to come to Home, and I can't remember what I was doing. Okay, let's just type here. Oops, okay. Help if I was on the right page. Okay. So, now I'm going to go and add an object. Actually, sorry, now I'm going to find the little menu. Here we go. Down here. And we have the widgets library, so we have compositions, menus, panels, and slideshows, which is the same as up here. We have compositions, menu, panels, and slideshows, except here you can see them. So, oops. Let's go to panels. You can either have tab panels or accordion panels, like I have on the tutorial section of Diecast Production website, or we can have a slideshow. So I'm going to go for basic. Yeah, let's drag a basic slideshow out here. So just drag. Alright, so for some reason this isn't moving the footer down. That's because up here footer is ticked. So I'll just untick that and everything goes okay. Alright, we can get rid of this again and make this a bit bigger, because we're going to have a widescreen video in this. Okay, so click on it and you can see it says widget. Click on it again, it says image frame. Click on it again and you get image. You can delete the image. So again, double click on it so you get image frame. And now I'm going to add some videos from Vimeo and YouTube. So click and make sure it says image frame, go object, HTML. I've just got a whole load of source of embed codes from all the videos that I want to put in. So go. Okay. And it will take a while to process. Right. So that's how big our videos are going to be. It's a bit too big. So just gonna go. Well, actually, it's okay. Actually, no, it's not. Let's go to Vimeo. Okay, let's go back to my videos. And let's just select one of them. Go embed, and let's find a good size. Come down here. Let's go 100. Right click away. So we're going to 800 by 640. So let's just change all of these. Let's go find and replace. So we're going to replace 940 with 800. replace all, and we're going to go 529 with 640. Alright, and this one seems to have been messed up. Okay. So I'm going to recopy this code, come back to Muse, right click HTML, paste. Okay, that's a much better space. But first of all, I'm going to select this. Make it much larger. Whoops. Something weird has happened to my footer, so I'll have to deal with that in a second. Let's just make the body sufficiently large. So click on the widget, click again to image frame. Sorry, click on the widget, drag it down, click again for image frame, and make it enormous. Okay, just go Control X on this. Let's drag this down a bit more. And while you still have the image frame selected, go Control Paste. Right, and there we go. This is the cutoff line for where the code actually ends, so you can ignore stuff underneath it, I think. Just go preview quickly. And it's just building that. I'll teach you about this later, but because preview isn't working for YouTube videos, click on Design, go to File, Preview Page in Browser. That saves a temporary file and opens it in your browser so you can see how it interacts with different browsers. My testing browser is Firefox, but I also use Google Chrome, Safari, and occasionally, if I have to, Internet Explorer. Okay, so hopefully in a second. It takes a little while to preview. And Firefox is slow generally. Okay, well, just forget about that for now. I see. Okay. Sorry, I seem to have selected a photo gallery, so this isn't going to work at all. What's best is use a different one. So let's go not slideshow, it has to go panel. Let's go tab panels. And there we go. Okay, so now click on it, click on it again, and then press paste. And you can see that it now, the container behaves properly because it's expecting something to be this big. Just drag this out. Right, so that is in tab 1. So you click on tab 2 and everything disappears. Click back on tab 1. Again, I'm just gonna go to preview, see if it works for this one. Firefox has woken up. You can see here we have our Vimeo video, but it doesn't work because it's in a photo gallery. Okay. So now we've done all that. I'm not quite sure why it's so tall. So make sure we go back here. Oh, maybe I'll just make this like 500. Okay, that's a bit better. So click on it. So it says HTML item. Copy it. Click on the next tab. Click back on the container. Go paste. Now HTML and change the source code for the second one in here. Copy. Paste. Okay. And again, go to tab 3. Go paste. Move it up. There we go. And change the source code again. Alright, so now we can go File, Preview Page in Browser. You can't really use the Preview tab for viewing iframes unless it's YouTube videos, because for some reason they only added support for YouTube videos, not Vimeo, which is kind of a shame. There we go. And for some annoying reason, Firefox doesn't tell you the address of the temporary files, but it doesn't really matter. Okay. So there we go, we have an iframe. Or hopefully load, there we go. Click on tab 2. How did that get there? Okay, that's not me, I must have mistyped something. It's a bit weird. Anyway, you get the idea that it changes. Hopefully to have weird videos of people playing weird guitars that randomly pop up in your face. And finally, I think we're going to have 2 more episodes after this. Next one is going to be making a photo gallery very quickly, which is really basic, and also we're just going to clean up a couple of things. Then I'm going to talk to you about finalizing and uploading your site, and I'm going to give you a free code that you can see how to use later. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.